Okay, I would like to go over homework 1.2 and the 2.1 problem number 10. Alright, so this is a golf club manufacturer, and they're talking about their daily cost. Right, so it says that here's an information. If you 50 golf clubs per day will result in total daily cost of $4,607. Right, so we can actually think of it as a point. So 50 is basically the X value, and 4,607 is a Y value, or in this case it's a cost, so maybe I should call it a C value. So we have 2 points, so that one gives you a 1 point, so you can think of X1 comma C1, so that's a cost 1, is given to be 50 comma 4,607. Right? The same way, if you make 70 golf clubs per day, that's gonna be the total cost is 5,807. So that's gonna give you a second point. So X2 comma C2 is going to give you 70 comma 5,807. Alright, so once you have 2 points, and we can get the information we need to come up with the equation of the line. Alright, so let's do that. So as usual, we need 2 pieces of information, and one is a point. So we need a point. So point, so I'm going to use the first one. So point is going to be X1 comma C1 is 50 comma 4,607 dollars. Right, second piece of information we need would be the slope. Right, so slope M. Right, we can find M quite easily since we have 2 points. So by slope formula we can just do, right, so C2, which is 5,807 minus C1 is 4,607 divided by X2 is 70, and minus X1 is 50. So you have 50 here. Right, which is going to be, let's see, so 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 8 minus 6 is 2. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 70 minus 50 is 20. Alright, so you can see that this is going to be 0 and 0 cancel out, and 120 divided by 2 is 60. Alright, so by point slope form we can come up with the equation. So we're going to use C instead of Y. So C minus C1, which is 4,607, is equal to slope is 60 times quantity X minus X1, which is 50. Have that. Alright, so I'm gonna just distribute the 60 to x. We're gonna get 60x, and distribute 60 to negative 50, you get negative 3,000. Alright, then you can see that we want to isolate C, which is the cost, so we can just get rid of negative 4,607 by adding 4,607 to both sides to get C is equal to. Alright, so you have 60x is already there. Alright, then we add the 4,607 to negative 3,000, so it's going to be plus 1,607. Right, so this is the cost function. Right, so this was the part A of the problem. Right, now we want to, for part B, we just want to sketch the graph. So to sketch the graph, we probably want to know the starting value and the ending value. So here, this is going to be our part B. Alright, so x is going to go from 0 to 200, so we can sketch the graph like this. So this is the x-axis, and try the c-axis right here. This is the cost function, so this is c. Alright, then you can see that the intercept right here is 1,607, so I'll put that right here. So this is 1,607. Alright, then all the way to, so this is the beginning point, and ending point is 200, so you have 200 right here, 200, and then we'll see what you get when you have x equals 200. So if you plug in 200 for the cost function, thinking of this as a function of x, right? So you're gonna get right, 60 times 200 would be 12,000. Then you have to add 1,607. So you can see that this is going to be 13,607. Right, so then here is 13,607. So you have the second ending point. Ending point is gonna be somewhere around here. Then since it's a linear equation, so it's going to be a line, so starting from this point and to that point with a straight line, so straight line. Right, so that's the graph of y equals c of x. Alright, then so that was part B, and part C is going to be interpret the slope and the y-intercept. So part C, and you can see that the slope, so m equals 60. Alright, this is this means that this is a 60. It's gonna cost $60 per club. So it's the cost per club, and y-intercept B is 1607. All right, so this is the fixed cost. So that's the cost that it's gonna take, no matter how many golf clubs they produce. So 1607 is a fixed cost. All right. Hopefully this was clear.